Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So here we have a key fob for a 2012 Equinox. Sometimes these things, the batteries run out or run low and the buttons don't work properly. If you feel like you have a problem with your key fob, first thing I would do is change the battery. It's pretty easy. Then if it doesn't work, then bring it to your dealer for programming. So in this process, the access panel is in the back. So you're going to open that key. I take a trim panel tool and I just click it open. Once that's paneled open, you can see the battery size. You can pick this up at your local store, reinstall it, positive side up, negative side down. Just guide it in, snap it down. This particular key fob takes a battery, a CR2032. You get your little guides, bring it down, snap it down. And you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.